Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Today we are going to see the third lesson, more on Microsoft Word. Okay, till now we saw how to handle with the desktop, the main screen, front screen, how we have to deal with what are the settings we can do with the control panel, everything we saw. Now it's a time to see about Word. Okay, Word is a document. It's a type of document. How you can go is generally I am using Windows 7, Windows 10. Okay, it will not be the same as Windows 7 or the book which we are referring. We have to, for your Windows 7, when you have a Windows 7, how you have to go is you have to click the start button. Okay, start button, there will be a Microsoft Office. See, Office. Okay, this tool will be there. In that you'll have all the Word and other things and all. Okay, here it is so different. It is saying tools, but in Windows 7 you'll have Microsoft Office folder. Inside that you'll have all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, what all comes under Windows will be Microsoft. Microsoft will be in that folder. Okay, now we are going to see about the window Word. Okay, Word, which is a document. We use all these books, notebooks, everything, right? Everything is in a written format. It is in a, we are writing like for the in your note you are using papers, right? All in that papers you write it. But for system, when you use a system, you can use this Word to type all your informations, all your datas. You can store it in a printed form. It is in a Word document. Okay, that we call it as a document. Okay, generally for document, when you say a document, when you need that as an information, then you say it as a document. Okay, then for that for a system, it is a Word you can use to store all your printed documents. Okay, so I think for fourth standard, in fourth standard itself, you had seen this home tab, right? Do you remember, students? In fourth
Yes,
standard, you
ma'am.
have seen all this home, what all comes under home tab. Other two, do you remember? Jovita, Trishant, do you remember? Okay, see, fine. We will see what it is. Now, I'll share the screen. See, this is Word. Okay, this is Word. So, Word, in that you have the title. This is the title bar. This one is the title bar. You are able to see my the screen? You are able to see
Yes,
my screen?
ma'am.
Okay. This is the title bar. When you open a window like Word, what you do is Word. Myself, I will open in a different way. When it is a Windows 7, it is, you can open it in a different way, and the book also says in a different way. Okay. See, blank document, when you open, the title bar shows you as document 1. This is the document 1. This is not saved anywhere. Before saving any document, a Word, when you take, it will show in the title bar as what? Document. Okay, like this it will show. Now, what we have to do is we have to save it. For saving, what you have to do is you can either give control plus S. Okay, control plus S will be a save as. Save as. So save as, you can save anywhere. Let me save in fifth standard. Fifth standard, I have taken the folder. I have chosen the folder where I have to save. This is Hindi. So I'll say I'll create a new folder here as what? Computer, CS. Okay. What I will do is open, created a new folder, and I am going to save it as Word. I'll give it the name of the document as Word. Okay, Word fifth. Since we have already seen in fourth channel all the groups in the home tab, now we are going to go to the insert tab. For your refreshment, I'll say this is the tabs ribbon. Okay, there are there are a term called ribbon, under which there are two things: ribbon, under which groups, and tabs and groups. Okay, these are all will be the tabs. These are all will be the tabs. Okay, these are all tabs. Okay, and this will be your groups. Understood?
Ma'am. We open the Windows 7 means we draw means that we are save, ma'am.
Yeah, you can directly save. Like first you can save like Control S, you can give and save. Otherwise, draw
Ma'am,
you
I
after
have
doing the
tried, ma'am,
action.
in that.
After doing the action also, if you,
Typing, ma'am, typing.
after typing also you can save it. Okay, you can save it. Control S or file, save as, and select this folder and save it again. Okay, before typing also you can save it. Saving is for your betterment. Like if you have typed for 10 pages and suddenly the power is getting down, like power is out, then what you'll have, you cannot save it. All the documents which you have typed will go off, right? So better if you, when you start the document itself, when you give a Control S and save the document, it will be easy for you to, even when any problem comes, you can take it down. Okay, both are same. Before doing any action in the document, saving is also same, or else after doing every action and saving is also same only. Okay, there's no difference. Frida, you understanding? I have told your answer. Have I questioned your answer?
Yes, ma'am. No,
Ramya,
ma'am.
Ramya,
Yes, ma'am.
you got your answer. Question ka answer kadachida, you got it.
Yes, ma'am. We type means we save in that save like that, ma'am.
அதுதான், you when you type பண்ணிட்டு you can save it. Okay, like you
Yes,
can say save like this.
I
Then
save as save like that.
save as,
In
save as, save as.
like
Okay.
that, ma'am.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
Then now I told you these are all ribbons. Like these are all tabs under ribbons, and these are all what groups. Okay, so we have already seen in 4th standard the home group we have already seen. All home tab we have already seen, and groups of home we have already. Now we are going to see the tab of insert. Okay, so I go according to your lesson only. It first topic is insert clip art and pictures. So this is illustration group. Okay, table is also nothing. What it is table now? If you want to type anything in a table format, like a timetable. Okay, timetable, if you have to say put day, subject. No, day, then what you'll do? Timer. Day. Okay. This is periods, day and period. Okay, period. First, how many periods you have in school? How many periods you have? Forgot? 8 periods, huh? எத்தனை period இருக்கும்? You'll have Monday. Hey, somebody open your mouth and tell. How many periods you have? Forgot. Everybody forgot. 5 periods.
Five, ma'am. 5 days.
5 periods.
8, ma'am.
8 periods. Everybody
Eight.
forgot in this
Oh,
1 year. You forgot how many periods you had.
ma'am, you say days, no, ma'am. School days. For
School
5 days,
days.
you are
I
in.
asked periods.
Oh,
Wednesday, Thursday.
Monday.
So you can use your table to type any information in a tabular form. Okay, so that is what your table is used. Okay, now next one, picture. Okay, you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
insert a picture in illustration group. When you click,
Yes,
there are how many
yes,
options?
ma'am.
Pictures, online picture, shape, smart art, chart.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in gallery also we take and we.
No, this is different from gallery. You are inserting from gallery. This is, you have to select the ultimately when you select a picture from your gallery, it will come here rather than from gallery taking it and pasting it here. You can directly insert from word itself. Take a picture like what we'll say, what picture we can say. Say okay, this one we will take this example. This is a
Yes, ma'am.
picture of, what is this picture? You are able to see the picture.
Yes, ma'am.
So when I can insert this picture. By how I inserted, I went to insert a picture. It will show you some your folders. Okay, there will be many folders from where you can select the pictures. Okay. Where? Okay, some picture we will say. Okay, we'll take this picture. Okay, so I have inserted this picture. Fine. So this picture, when you understood how to insert a picture, one picture I have inserted. Again, I have to insert another picture. What I will do? Again, what I'll do? I'll just give a enter and bring my cursor down and then go and insert it. I'll insert this one. Okay. So what this will be helpful when you do a document for a project when you are doing, they're asking you to do a water cycle. No water cycle of lifespan. Okay, you have to explain one by one how lifespan works or whatever it is. You have to explain one by one by pictures, right? Then you can add one picture and explain the things down, and then add the next picture and explain the things here. Like that, this will be useful for you. Okay, in Word. Okay. Now what I have to do is I have to resize this. Resize now I have to either make it small or a bigger image. This is already fully, the paper itself is fully covered. So I'll just bring down to a smaller size. See what I have done is there is a 4 circles coming down here, right? See, there are circles, few circles coming down. Are you able to see it? The circles here, see circles.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. That will directed, ma'am.
You have to put
Change the position.
drag like this. It will go to the smaller size. In whichever angle you can do. If you want to do in this angle, rectangularly you have to do, then you can do like this. When you have to diagonally do it, you can do like this. Okay. When you have to like this side, when you have to do it in this rectangular size, then you can do it like that. Okay, this is that. These circles are useful. Okay. Sorry. Next one. From insert button itself, there is an option of clip art. Here my Windows is not having that clip art. But, rather than that, you have this pictures and online pictures, right? Clip art is also nothing but the same thing of pictures. Okay, clip art na eppadi varum na? Let me try where the clip art is. No. Design. Layout. Reference. Mine is a advanced version. Okay, so I'm not able to find where the clip art is. If I don't know anything, I can try it. You see this light button, light here. You see it here. You can type your questions here. It will show you the. So they have changed the clip art as online pictures. Okay, so clip art and online pictures are same. So they are telling clip art here, when you, in your book, what they have given as clip art is as a cartoon images. Okay, when I was a kid, I used to do like I was taught as a clip art only, not as an online picture. Now it is the ages have changed and the technology has improved, right? They are giving it as an online pictures. If you type here, I will type Mickey Mouse. It will show me many types of images here. If I have to insert this all images, what I'll do is I'll select it and I'll insert it. It's downloading and it will get inserted here. This is the clip art. Okay, understood? Purida until clip
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, others? Others?
Ma'am.
Everyone? Jovita?
Yes, ma'am. Completely.
Ma'am.
Yes, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. Next one, what it is, when you click this image, I'm clicking this image, okay? Where it goes is, it creates a new tab called format, okay? Format when you do when you are writing, right? When you write and before writing, like there are students where they decorate their writing before they started. Okay, like you do it in a black pen, blue pen, right? When you say there's a heading, you write it in a black pen and then start it with the blue pen. Like the same thing, that is called formatting. It is like you're making the picture more beautiful or what the way you want. That is the formatting. The same way in a document, they have given a formatting option. When you insert anything and when you want to edit it or any changes you want to do, then it goes to a formatting tab. Okay, what are all there? Remove the background. There is no background at all for us, so we are not going to worry about it. Next, correction. For doing anything, you must click, you must select the picture. Okay, this all the balls, this all circle should come before doing any correction. Without doing that, it will not show you. Okay, when there is no circles or the image is not selected, you cannot do any changes. Corrections. Correction is, see, there it is getting duller, right? Soft, and here it is getting very dull. Now it is getting very brighter. Like that, when you want to do anything, it will get changed. Okay, understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, color. I have to change the color to black and white. I'll change it. Okay, fine. There are few options. Artistic effects. Everything will be given here. You can do any changes and see it has changed. Purida, you are getting it? How you have to do? You can only find that formatting image through when you select a word, art. Okay, when you select a picture, then only you can do the formatting. Okay, next one. Picture, next one. Resizing, I told how to resize, how to stretch, everything I've told. Now crop the image. Crop. How to crop? See, where I have selected this. I've selected this. There's an option here. See, in size group is there, right? In size group, you have a cropping information. Crop in the sense, like you're doing a scissoring work. Okay, so cropping is you don't want this. Who is this duck? This duck you don't want. I will just crop it. I just only want this Mickey and Minnie. What I will do? I will again take the Pluto out of it and I will only keep these two people here. Okay, that is the cropping option for. Okay. Okay, Purida. You able to
Yes,
understand?
ma'am.
Next one. Okay, here when we will go for this compress picture. Compress is making it small. Like resizing or like crushing anything. Compressing is crushing it, making it a smaller size. Compress pandrathu. Your book is not giving this compress option and all, I believe. There's no compress option and all. Even though I'll tell you how it works. Okay, when it is now the things which are here is already compressed. Okay, it is already compressed, but I want to compress more for my email or a web browser. Then I'll select the options given as web or email, and then it gets so compressed and the mail directly comes. You will not know how it is got compressed, but when you see the size of the picture compared to the previous picture, you will have difference. Okay. Okay, fine. Next one. Change picture. Change picture. Now I'm going to insert another picture. What it is? What I can insert? Tell me tell me anything. Which one we can insert? Why? Yes. What we can insert? Compute.
Research means that. Ma'am, research means that picture will come, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. When you search, that picture will come and then you can insert it. This is for Windows 16 and Word updated on 2013 and 16. Before that, before 16 and all, you'll have the clip art. Okay. You have inserted change picture. You have changed that Mickey Mouse picture to a computer picture. That is what this change picture is. Okay. Reset now, everything will go off. Reset picture. What it is, if I have changed the size of the picture, I have changed it and given reset picture. Why it is reset the picture size? It is changing the size. See?
Hey, Sammy.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Ah,
sound
yeah.
is not coming.
1 minute. Okay. Next one. Next tab. Next group is picture styles, where I have to keep the picture. See how it is. The frame is changing. Are you able to see? The frame is changed. In the first image, there's a outer line coming. Border is coming. Next one is the border line has increased. See? Yeah, are you able to see? It's in a 3D image. Yeah, are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
3D image. Now it is going to give you a frame. You are able to see the frame?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is happening? Like that, the picture style, how the pictures you want to see it. I said differently, how the pictures are to be shown. That is what this picture style group says. Picture border. Border venuma, you want the border or not, like that. It is border another, your outline. Outline, if you want, you can add. Picture effect na, see how it is changing. You're able to see what the change is happening with the picture effect?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that is a picture effect. Picture layout. Layout na, this is, here it will not come, I believe, because picture layout na, when you have a graphical representation na, this much boys are there, this much girls are there in a classroom, in a school, then you'll have a graphical representation to make it easier. But now we only have picture inserted, right? So we don't want that, this one graphical picture layout. Next one, position. We have seen picture styles, adjust. Now it's a group of arrange. Okay. In format, we are still have to see the insert. More groups are there, right? We have to see it. In format, we are seen adjust, picture style, arrange. Position is where the picture have to be: upward, center, left side, right side, where you want, down, like that. In a picture, in a page, in a paper, where the picture have to be. Okay, that decides the position, where the position of the picture have to be. Okay. Wrap text now, we didn't do any texting here. Text now, when how you do a text is insert layer, you can do a text box. If I write a text here, not here. Okay, நான் இது அப்புறம் சொல்லி தரேன் உங்களுக்கு. இதுல பாப்போம், இதை முடிச்சிட்டு அப்புறம் போவோம். Wrap text. Okay, இதெல்லாம் வேணாம். Now we'll go for next shapes. Shapes is in the shape, and now I'll draw anything. Okay, I will draw a image. What image I will draw? I want to draw what image they have given. I will draw a robot. Okay, I'll draw a robot. How a robot will be? Who is this drawing? Tanush, Trishant?
Ma'am, square, ma'am. Square, rectangle.
Okay, so what you have to do is go to shapes,
Triangle.
click a triangle. Okay. Every triangle potone, you'll have this plus symbol coming down. You can draw it. Then one small rectangle, right? Small rectangle you need to put a neck. Next, what you'll have for head, what shape it will be? What shape? Circle.
Square shape, I think so.
Okay, any shape, square or anything you can do. Okay, so we have put a square. For hand, rectangle. Again, as hand is in a rectangle shape.
Rectangle.
Okay, we will use this arrow keys for your hands. Okay, it will be easy for us to draw. Another shape this side. Okay. Next for legs, again 2 rectangles. Like that, you can use these shapes. For eyes, it's circle, right? Circle. Eyes, it is circle. Like that, you can create down or by using this shapes. Okay? Purinda, you are able to understand?
Yes.
Next one. Smart art chart, it is for it will come in your bigger classes. Okay, that and all is not required as of now. Next one, this too is also not required. Hyperlink, this and all will be coming in your higher class. How to use a word very efficiently when you go to your higher like 8th, 9th classes, you will have these things. Now they are directly jumping into the text group. Okay, text group. Okay, inserting word art. Word art. இங்க பாருங்க text box na like when you are doing a project, when you have to give a explanation for this image, then you can give a text box. Okay, text box and write something whatever.
Please, please, please.
Okay, that is text box. In that text box you can do this positioning, everything you can do. Wrap text na இப்படி இருக்குல்ல wrapனா it is making it according to your box. Okay, according to your box it is doing it. That is wrapping a text. Next, now we'll go for the word art. It will be interesting actually. Word art where we see here is so different. Okay, but when I was very small, I used to go and do it in with my mom. Okay, with my mom I used to do. It was very interesting. It will be very interesting. Okay, now I'll type SRVM CBSE. I'll do it in insert word art. Word art, these are all the shapes you have. These are all the type of things. When you give this one, I selected this one, you have to type your text. Text is star VMCBSE pass 5. This is my heading. Okay, now student's name, I want to give it in a different word art type. What I'll do is I'll select it, I'll change the word art type. See, you are able to see the changes. Student, I've changed the word art to the type of word, the word how you have written writing to, I have changed it. Names of students attended today is Ramya. Second one is Jovita. Third one is Rishant. Like that. Fourth one, Smriti.
Ma'am, Alvin, ma'am.
Yeah, Alvin. Next one, who are all there? Next, who are all there? That's all. Yeah, that's all. Fine. So now I have to change the student's name to a different word. What I'll do is I'll go to insert. It is already there, right? So insert. Format itself, you can change the type. I am changing it to like this. Okay. So what will be like when you see a verb and when you see a document and when you decorate it like this, it will be very simple and very attractive to see it, right? This they have kept all this option in a word. Okay. I am teaching lesson. Okay, Ramya, mute பண்ணிட்டாது பேசு. Try to mute it. Okay, fine. Next one is quick pass. Word art is over. Date and object. Now I want to align it. See, if I have to change, I am going to format the word art. Now, until now we saw picture editing, picture formatting. Now I'm going to show you the formatting for the word art. Okay, insert a shape. Here I'm going to insert a shape, and I'm going to give some commands. Insert. Okay. Insert a shape. It is coming. Inserting, when you insert a shape, the shape is very filled, right? The shape is fully filled with blue color. Now I have to change it. What I'll do is I will effect when go to filter shapes, fill transparency is there, right? Change it to 100. When you come to school or when you have a system in your home, try it down. Okay, if you other than trying it down only with a book, you cannot learn a computer. By trying only you can learn a computer at your age. Okay, if you have system in your home, try whatever I have taught you. Try, if even though if it is right or wrong, try it in your home. Okay, if you want to change the color of the border, then like this. Okay, solid fill, no fill, like that you can change and try it down. If I want to write something here, you have to text will be there. Edit, draw text box. Draw text box. Here I can edit it. Okay. So now I'll change the thing. What I will do is I will edit here. I want to edit this one. What I will do is I want to change the color of the images.
I cannot hear your voice, ma'am.
Okay, see, if I have to change the color of the student's name, then I can, what I do is I have to select the student's name.
Like dark,
Yes.
light.
Yeah, you have to go it to word style group, and then you have to do it like this. Okay, anything. This is the colors, inside colors. Now this is the outside border colors. See, border colors. There is the changes you can see. You can see the changes in the border line.
Yellow.
Yeah, that is.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is your glow. Every one it should be the 3D images. How the images should be the same way it will show here. Able to see the change? Like that. Okay. Okay. Today the class will end here because we only have 2 minutes in Zoom. The next class maybe I'll check and take it in the middle. Okay. Right? Okay. Did you understand until now? Students?
No.
Everything,
Yes,
whatever I told you, try. If you have system in your home, try with Word. Okay, type a document, type it. Okay, okay, ma. Then we will wind up here. I will take through the other topics in the next class. Okay, thank you, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.